Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have the a la bare face. We are going to remove blackheads and whiteheads. So I do this every month or so. Normally sometimes every 2 to 3 weeks, depending upon how bad my face looks. And normally I do it after I wax my lip and a few days later. But once you're doing all the grooming stuff, it's easier just to get it all done all together, in my opinion. So I'm sure you guys have heard about this, but this is what I do to get rid of the blackheads and whiteheads on my face. I use activated charcoal. It's the charcoal mask, but I make it. I do the DIY one. I don't actually buy one. What I use is activated charcoal capsules. I use the Elmer's glue, the school glue, the washable no run. And as you can see, I'm almost out of glue. And I just have a cheap brush so that I can apply it to my face. Oh, you guys are gonna laugh at this. So what I do is I don't put it in a bowl I have to wash out. I use a Mott's, we get the cinnamon Mott's, and if we hadn't eaten one, I just pour it out, rinse it out, and dry it out so that when I'm done with it, because this kind of makes a mess, I can just chuck it. So I guess that's kind of the lazy part. All right, so you'll need activated charcoal. I got mine at Whole Foods. I don't remember how much I paid. It's been a while. It was over $10 though. The Elmer's glue is cheap. You need a brush and some scissors to cut the activated charcoal capsules. So I don't measure anything. Yeah, I'm almost out. I probably should have thought of that before I made the video, huh? Okay. I just start pouring. This is going kind of slower. I'm gonna need to use 2 hands, bear with me. Okay guys, I just went ahead and opened it and poured some in there. And I just do it by eye. I normally do about 4 to 5 capsules. And then if I need some more glue, I just add more glue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The activated charcoal brings out the impurities in your face, which is kind of awesome. It's really awesome, actually. So they look like this. It's little capsules. And I am going to cut them at the tip and then put them in the bowl. Okay, guys, I forgot how messy this is. I'm gonna go do this in the kitchen and then come back to you guys. If you can see just how this is getting everywhere, and I forgot. Obviously, I haven't done it in a while. Okay, guys, I am back. I obviously forgot how messy this was with all this white around me. So I put the 5 capsules in there, and I just poured some glue. Let's see if I need to add some more glue. I probably do. Stir it gently. Yes, I need some more, because it hasn't really built up a good paste. And I spilled some on me. That's all right, as long as it's on me and not the white couch. I want to add some more glue. Here we go. All right. Stir, stir, stir. All right, that should be good. And you can either, if you want to, just put this on your nose or put it on your whole face. I normally put it on my whole face. And let's just be clear, taking it off hurts. Yeah, taking it off hurts on your entire face. So just be ready for that. I wasn't quite ready. Okay, how about I put my hair back? put my hair back. Because we don't want to get it in the hair. Okay. And now let's start applying. You want to make sure you don't get it in your hair. Bad look. And you don't want to put it underneath your eyes either. But you want a good layer. I get whiteheads a lot right here and on my nose. Let me get some more. If you live with anyone, you want to make them aware that you're putting this on. Because once you put it on, you really can't talk. And also, you don't want to scare them. As I did my husband one time. He came home and he was like, I caught him off guard. He came home a little early on one occasion. Add some more. You want a nice layer so you'll be able to get it off. But the key is the charcoal, you guys. The key thing of getting all that stuff out of your nose or your skin is the charcoal. Some people go off to their sides and connect it, but because my hair is all over there, I'm not going to do that. I want this to completely dry and then peel off. But this is really inexpensive, guys. Like the pills, they last, I've had them for a long time, months and months, especially because I do it maybe once a month or so. So let me stop messing with this and let it dry all the way. And I don't want to talk because you want it to stick to the face and all that good stuff. Don't I look lovely? So I will come back to you guys when this is all dry. And I will take it off in front of you guys too, which hurts. Okay guys, I am back. As you can see, my face is completely dry. Took about 15 to 20 minutes. And I cannot move my mouth. So, let's take it off, shall we? Oh. Okay, what's happening, guys, is I applied too thin of a layer, which has happened to me before. You just have to add more Elmer's glue. But what you're supposed to be able to do is rip it off, which, I'm just getting it everywhere. Ouch. Ouch. No, it does not hurt less when you add more. Ooh. Mine is paper thin. It's not supposed to be this thin. Bit thicker. No, I'm not going to do it off camera. I didn't add enough glue, so you guys are going to see me. It's cringe. So you not do this. So if you chicken out and say, oh my gosh, that first rip hurt so bad, you can just wash it off as well. But it doesn't rip out all the good stuff. It still makes your face soft, but doesn't get all that stuff out. It's everywhere. This is the worst mask I've ever done just because I decided to film it. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys. I have a strip left to show you the impurities that came off because I put this on way too thin. No, it does not normally take this long. It hurts when it comes off a bit, but it does not take this long, guys, at all. I guess it's good that you guys can see, hey, if it's like this, you might want to just rinse it off and start over. Better luck next time. But that's the best part, is you can just rinse it off. I'm struggling through it for the camera. For you guys. Reason why it normally hurts a bit is because it's getting caught on the little hairs of your face. So it's ripping some of those out too. You're just like, ouch. Yeah. That's why some people just stick to their nose, because that has mainly all of the stuff that you can see. Okay, guys. I think me doing my nose just looks like I'm picking my nose. It's not supposed to be like this. I look a hot and a mess, and I think I'm really red. Normally you will be red or pink or whatever, but this is how you actually get rid of blackheads and whiteheads, on your whole face, or you can just do it on your nose if you're a bit nervous. And it actually does work. I feel so bad you guys had to see me just completely botch it. But it's better to see it botched than understand, oh yeah, it's just supposed to peel off. So as much of a mess as this video has been, I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Let me go clean this mess up. Goodness, Shawana.